Google Cloud Platform is a suite of cloud computing services provided by Google. It offers a range of services including computing, storage, databases, machine learning, and data analytics. GCP is known for its robust infrastructure, scalability, and integration with other Google services, making it ideal for developing, deploying, and scaling applications. Resources to learn Google Cloud. Google Cloud Free Tier, access free resources to try out various services. Google Cloud Training. Google Cloud Training offers free and paid courses, including certification tracks. Google Cloud Documentation. Comprehensive guides and tutorials available at Google Cloud Docs. Coursera. Courses like Google Cloud Platform Fundamentals, Core Infrastructure. Quikcodes, hands-on labs and quests for practical experience. YouTube, channels like Google Cloud Platform and provide tutorials. A Cloud Guru, in-depth courses and labs tailored to GCP. Books, Google Cloud Platform for architects and data engineering on Google Cloud Platform. Practice exams, services like WizLabs offer practice tests for certification preparation. These resources offer a variety of learning methods, suitable for beginners to advanced users.